Actually, in your project, we are going to identify gender based on voice classification. So, in your objective, you had given two main modules. That is, I have to gather a data set, and that data set should be trained by using convolutional neural network, and I need to classify all the things by using ML classifier by using some classification algorithm. So the first step I need to train my data. Okay. For training, I'm using this data. These are all the data inputs I'm giving as an input. Okay. So then after training, it will provide you the train module as a result. I imported the data set on direct path. So right now I'm classifying female as a 0 and male as a 1. And this what the data folder I given as the input. I given totally 100 e-pouch for the training. So these are all the layer of convolutional neural network, and it started to train. Okay, for first e-pouch itself, it's providing nearly 73 percentage of the accuracy. So at the end, it will provide more than 90% as an accuracy, and it will provide you the train module also. So the training has been completed. It's providing overall will be 91 percentage.